Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the Hohem iSteady M7 and the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. Both of these gimbals promise to elevate your smartphone videography, but which one truly stands out? We'll explore their unique features, pricing, and overall usability to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. The Hohem iSteady M7 boasts advanced AI tracking capabilities, allowing for precise movement tracking, making it ideal for dynamic shooting scenarios. It also features a detachable touchscreen remote for easy controls. In contrast, the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro offers over 200 app tracking options, ensuring versatility in various shooting environments. Both gimbals come with built-in tripods, but the iSteady M7's extension rod provides additional flexibility for creative shots. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M7 is priced at $299, positioning it as a premium option for serious content creators. On the other hand, the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro is significantly more affordable at $169, making it an attractive choice for those on a budget. This price difference raises questions about the value each gimbal provides in terms of features and performance. In terms of usability, the Hohem iSteady M7 features an ergonomic design that enhances comfort during extended use, along with a built-in fill light for improved video quality. The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro, however, shines with its portable and foldable design, making it easy to carry around for spontaneous shooting. Both gimbals cater to different user needs, whether it's comfort or portability. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M7 and the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro offer unique advantages for smartphone videographers. That choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for advanced features and don't mind spending a bit more, the iSteady M7 may be the right fit. However, if you prefer a more budget-friendly option with great functionality, the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.